What's up, guys? It is Jonathan with One Big Impact. So, really quick, I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of an item I just bought. So, if you are looking for a person that can do unboxings and reviews, please shoot me a message at thrifttime@gmail.com, thrifttime@gmail.com for any business inquiries. So, first of all, today, that didn't work. The link will be in the description below for this item. I'm actually super excited for it. I have the gym, and this is the Wowgo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, okay? It's 160 watts. It's got 6 battery cells, lithium ion, high efficiency filter system, and it goes for between 20 and 40 minutes, which I think is perfectly acceptable. 65 decibels, so it's ultra quiet. If you got like babies around the house, or you're a psycho cleaner and you're cleaning in the middle of the night or something like that, which I won't be doing. I will probably be getting another one of these. So the first thing right away I pull out, I have all the information here. Thank you for your purchase. Any questions, please claim. We have like a user guide, which I think I'm pretty good at this stuff pretty often. Well, right away I noticed that that's pretty cool because it's got like some electrical things there, so that apparently runs the item, the wand or whatever. So I'm really excited about this because in the gym, there's not plugs everywhere they need to be as far as like where I would like to be. You have a little adapter here. You have all these little adapters are really cool too because I've been wanting something for like my keyboard and stuff like that. So you have these little adapters, and apparently they bend and flex and turn, and that's really cool. I like that. I'm actually really overly excited about this. I have had problem after problem with everything lately. I think that's like a wall mount, so you can mount it on the wall. This one is like a little brush, so you can probably brush like keyboards and stuff like that. Now, for the actual item, it's cheap too. It's $100 and it's purple. So I mean, that's pretty cool, right? It kind of matches the gym, kind of not. That's okay. It's just a vacuum. So it has how to clean the HEPA filter, blah 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 blah. Okay. Put that there. We have the battery pack. It's pretty light, but not super light to where you think it doesn't want to work. The reviews were actually amazing on this item. It had 2,000 reviews, like feedbacks or whatever. I guess it's reviews. It's not called feedback anymore. That's eBay time. So, let's see. Let's see what we got here. All right. I'm actually super excited just to use it. I'm probably gonna get another one for my apartment too. I have if you look in there, so it has the bristles, but one is rough and one is soft, so that's kind of neat. And then it has like little bristles all around the edges, which is cool. And look at that turning radius. Like it can go under, side to side, over. I think the biggest benefit for me is gonna be the fact that I don't gotta plug the damn thing in. You know what I mean? That just makes no sense, and it's a thing of the past to me. Okay. So, got the battery pack here. Turn it on. Let's see here. This way. Okay. Is that as tall as it gets? No, I think it gets tall. Oh, nice. So right here you got a little extender. That's pretty cool. And let's see. First of all, I want to try it. Let's see if I can See a couple things there. Let's see if anything moves. So those little things on the floor are sitting there, and let's see if they come up. Oh, it's got a little light too, look at that. Huh, it definitely comes up, look. Look at that. It's all coming up. That's actually amazing. So I have some more stuff here from unpacking this. I've been on vacation for a week. So the powder over here, see that? Powder? See if that comes up. So, okay, so we can click it on a little bit higher. It's got 2 settings. It is coming up. It looks like it's going to need a few passes. But that's okay because I know that powder's been there for a few weeks. So, but it's definitely coming up. Look, all the larger things are definitely coming up. We got some stuff there. Definitely coming up. Let's come over here. We got more stuff here. This is actually nice. It's not the most powerful vacuum I think I've ever seen, but the idea is just to get the large items up. And then when I do a deep clean, it works better. Actually, look at the turning radius on that sucker. Do you see it? Do you see the turning radius? Like just a simple turn and it can go all the way, pulling almost all the way back to me. And look, holy crap, it's actually picking up a lot more than what I thought. Look at that. Holy shit. Look at all that stuff in there. That was pretty fast. And that's just off of like one simple little clean. Interesting. Obviously I'm jumping around a lot. I'm not really going in one spot. Just trying to see where all the heavy traffic areas are. And this is actually really nice. Like, I definitely think I would get another one of these. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. The easiest thing is, look at that. It just like effortlessly goes around. That's cool. And it's definitely picking up all the stuff. Even the bigger items. Look at that. Nice. Definitely working. Okay. Now I want to see really quick what it does. Let me take this off. I want to see how powerful the suction is. It's pretty close to a regular vacuum, to be honest. Let's see if we can put the little attachment on here. Here's the attachment. This one, because getting those crevices and stuff was kind of the hard part here for me. Like, because if you can see, right there, we have little dust balls that collect in the odd areas. So look. Oh yeah. It's definitely working. That's nice. That's really nice. And then another area that I wanted to check was, it's a pain in the ass getting under the treadmill or behind this machine. So this machine, I usually, let me see. Behind these machines, you get these little dust balls and they're a pain in the ass to get. Look. You probably don't see it, but it's sucking them all up right now. That's crazy. And look at that, look at that. You can literally not even get down there. But this gets all the way in there. That's awesome. That is freaking awesome. That's beautiful. I love it. Oh, that is really cool. And then up on here, let's see. We got, look at all those dust balls. You see all those dust balls right there? Watch. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my gosh, I love it. That's amazing. All right, well, I guess that's a success. I was actually really, really excited to use this damn thing today. You have no idea. I've been like thinking about it like for like 3 days. And Look at the container. It is like full of stuff already. That is amazing. You see it in there? Look at it. It's full. Like it's got a bunch of stuff. And I only cleaned for like 2 minutes, not even. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you want me to do unboxings of your items, more vacuums, or anything, email me, thrifttime@gmail.com. Have a beautiful day. Bye.